Speaker, sir. Honourable Minister is not being able to convince us with the reply. The reply is that the matter is alive. It can be alive for 1 year, it can be alive for 10 years. I do not know what is the timeline that they have fixed. Sir, I would like to inform this August House that while the government is allowing this agriculture college to function from Kredem Kulai, is the government aware that this particular college is enrolling lecturers, is enrolling employees from outside the state, sir? Is the government aware that our own people are being deprived of employment in this college, sir? So therefore, sir, my question is that if we say that this matter is alive, well, it can be alive for 1 year, for 10 years, and so on. But, sir, in the process, our people are being deprived of employment. Is there any, my question to the Honourable Minister is there any terms of agreement signed by the government along with this college wherein the employment facilities for our local people should be also a priority here, sir?
Sir, the question is not related with the college, but still, sir, this matter, sir, has been discussed with the Honorable Chief Minister from time to time, sir. And at the same time also, this College of Agriculture in Kredem Kulai is been manned by the CAU from Imphal, which we know. And at the same time also, sir, for the benefit of our state, we are pursuing, and we already had a discussion also with the official from the CAU from Imphal, sir, from time to time regarding the thing which is going on in Kredem Kulai, sir, in the College of Agriculture.